What's up guys, Dynamic Tech here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make your gameplay fast. You can use any game or play any game in the Windows 10. So first of all, we're gonna check out the gameplay which is recorded without any tweaks or settings, and then we're gonna apply some tweaks on the game, and then I'll show you the gameplay after the tweaks applied. So let's see the gameplay first.
Training stage. Your destiny will be determined here. Are you ready? Fight! Shoryuken! Hadouken! Hadouken!
As you saw the gameplay, that was really sluggish and laggy gameplay because none of the settings are applied right now. So the first thing we are going to do to make our gameplay faster is simply lower the visual appearance of the game by tweaking some changes in the settings of the game. Let's head back toward the game settings. Okay guys, we're back to the gameplay screen, and as you know, we're gonna head to the options menu, and from here we're gonna go to the graphics settings, and here is the main settings we are going to change. Here are the main settings we have to change to get our gameplay faster, but there are only two settings here which should be changed. None of the settings else matters to the gameplay but these two settings. The number one is the resolution settings and the second one is the anti-aliasing. Most of the players doesn't know that the main settings which affect the gameplay is the anti-aliasing, and the second one is the resolution. The most affecting settings is anti-aliasing. So the first, we're gonna lower the resolution. I'm gonna get it to 1360 to 768. This is a really good resolution. With lower settings, it gives you a full screen display with good resolution. And the second one, you should be able to turn on the VSync. And let's get to the frame rate. You should set the frame rate to smooth if your game have this option. If your game doesn't have this option, then move to forward. And the next one, like I said before, the most main settings in the game is anti-aliasing, so try lowering or disabling the anti-aliasing, and this will make your gameplay really smooth and faster. And I'm not gonna change all the settings. I just changed the soft shadows to from extreme to the high, and I don't think we need anything else here. Okay, so the next tweak is very simple. We're gonna utilize the power resources of our computer. To do that, simply right click on the start here and click on the power options. You will see settings. From here, click additional power settings under related settings, and you will be headed to the control panel. From here, set this to high performance. If you guys have the ultimate performance option, then definitely click on this option, and if you does not have, I will recommend high performance settings. Click on it, and after that you will see above high performance settings, change plan settings. Click on here, click on change advanced power settings, and scroll down a bit. Here you will see an option of processor power management. Click on the add button and set the minimum processor state to 0%, because if you're not using any file, any application, or if you're not gaming, then your PC will rest at 0%. And the maximum processor state should be 99% at gaming or using very intensive file, because if you set this to 100%, you're gonna get spikes in the CPU usage and your game will be more stuttering. So just raise it from 100 and get it to 99%, and then click on apply and then click on OK, and we're all set here. Okay, so the next trick which I do usually once or two times in a week is delete all the junk files. If your gaming is lagging, if your gaming is not lagging, whatever the reason, you should always set a routine to clean junk files. And the simplest way to clean junk files, or you will have to open the run tab from the start, or you can simply use the shortcut which is start plus R, and here simply type temp, which is gonna open temporary settings folder, and from here delete all the files, and this option will appear. This option means the files which cannot be deleted are in use, so do this for all current items. Check this box and then click on skip here. Again, close the folder, open the run tab, and this time we have to add %sign before and after the temp, and then hit enter, and you will be headed to the temporary folder once again. And here this time it is different, so as you can see the address is different, so click on Ctrl+A and delete all the files as you can. Again, this message, check the box, do this for all current items and skip these files, and we're all set here. Okay, all the tweaks are applied, but there is one more tweak left, which is gonna be applied on the game while running it. Yes, while running the game we are going to apply a simple tweak. For this you will have to launch the game. Here, as you can see, when your game is launched, simply minimize it with the shortcut start+D, and you're gonna get back to your computer screen or display screen, and here you will see your game minimized. So here what do you have to do? Open the task manager by right clicking on the taskbar, or you can simply use the shortcut which is Ctrl+Shift+Escape, and you will get the task manager here. Here you should see your game up in the apps section. Right click on the game and click on go to details, and here you will see your game. Right click on game once again, go to the set priorities section, and here click on high. This will mostly affect the people's gameplay, and your game will be running smoothly and fastly because your computer will only focus on the gaming, or we can say your PC's focus will mostly on the game you are playing and running, and this is gonna really make your game faster. Let's check out the gameplay after the tweaks applied.
Training stage. The stage of battle is set. Are you ready? Fight!
Hadouken! 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 Fire! Fire!
Hope you guys found the video helpful, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up, and if you're new on the channel, then consider subscribing. Also turn on the bell notification to get all the updates. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.